I'm back. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Did you miss me? Because I missed you. And if it's your first time on my channel, do consider subscribing because I'm actually fun. Okay? Today is going to be yet another handbag unboxing. And not just one. 2 handbags unboxing. And this is by the brand called MAISON de SABRÉ. I hope I'm not butchering the name with my accent, so please excuse me if I am. They were kind enough to send me these bags and I'm so excited to review them for you. Before we unbox the bags, I do want to tell you a little bit about the brand if you haven't heard about them already. MAISON de SABRÉ is a brand from Australia. They are known for their luxury leather handbags. What I personally love about this brand is the quiet luxury aesthetic, because that really speaks to me. I feel like the quality of the leather speaks for itself. If you know, you know. The price point of these bags do not break your bank with the quality of the leather that you get. You can buy their bags on their website, which I'm going to leave the link to in my description, or you can find them at Nordstrom, Saks Fifth Avenue, and Bloomingdale's as well. Without further ado, let's unbox the handbag. I have opened the tape on the outside already just so it's easier for me to unbox them for you. And the first bag, this is my first handbag. Look at the details. I am obsessed. And what's the best part about this bag? Hold on. 1 second. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. The inside of this bag is red. What? The name of this bag is the Bucket Soft Tote. Obsessed with the little peekaboo situation. I love that touch of red. It is beautiful. It also comes with a little, what do you call this? A little clip situation so you can put your wallet or your car keys on it, because I would really need that. I lose my keys all the time. It does come with a zipper. I feel like I put my hands with foundation on it and I got a little stain in there. Oh well, I can wipe it down. It does come with a little zipper compartment in here, and then it is just an open bucket, just like the name says. I also really like this little key holder situation. And I love how structured yet soft this bag is. Let me show you guys what it looks like on my body. I love the shoulder strap length. It is perfect. It fits me right where it needs to be. It's very comfortable to like go in and out of the bag. Let's move on to the second bag because I am so excited. So this is my second handbag. Also comes with this beautiful dust bag. It is so soft to touch and really good quality. And ta-da! And this is my second handbag. I am in love with the color and the shape. The name of this bag is the Small Soft Hobo. Such a beautiful color for fall, and even for summer with some brown sandals and a white dress. Stunning. Let me take this off. You guys, just holding the bag, the quality of the leather feels so soft, and the fact that it's green leather, I feel like this is going to be so durable, because I love my handbags, but I don't baby them. Like, I literally buy my handbags because I like to use them, and I don't like handbags where I feel like I can't really use them because, you know, of the leather. No, I am just not that person. It does come with a longer shoulder strap, or a crossbody strap actually, and it's also adjustable. I love that. I've always said this in all my videos that I do not understand handbags that comes with a longer strap that's not adjustable. Like, we all are different shapes and sizes. Come on. Anyway, so that's adjustable. And then let's take the stuffing out the bag. Zipper compartment on one side. A little slot for like card holders right there. It does come with a blue fabric lining. And then this is where you would hook your crossbody strap. See what it looks like. Crossbody. Actually be holding it just like so, or on the clip of my arm. But it's good to know that it does come with the shoulder strap option as well. Love with the quality of the handbag, and I also love how it's holding its shape. That's not it. They were so sweet to send me their bag charms because they are adorable. So this is the first one. It is an apple. How sweet is that? Oh my god. This is the second one. And oh my god, they're little cherries. And oh my god, look at this. It's on my black tote. How cute. Also black and red, so I thought this would be perfect for tote bag. But you guys, I mean, this has to be my favorite one. Not gonna lie, the second most exciting part, other than actually holding the bags, was putting these charms on and dressing my bags. I'm obsessed. This is what the bags look like after the charms. I do feel like I could use these charms in many different bags as well. They're really cute gifts to give to people, and I think they're so freaking, such a cute addition to your bags. It's just sweet. And that is it for today's video, you guys. If I forgot to mention any important details about the handbags that you were interested to know, please do ask me in the comments below, and I would love to answer them for you. I will leave the links to these handbags, the charms, and the website in the description box below, so you can check them out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.